modified and tuned 1.6. So we are pulling out a 272 cam and we are throwing in a 262 modified bullet cam. Daar lê sy. Headset, nuwe rockers. Dis wat nou vanoggend gaat gebeur. In 2 ure tyd staan sy weer hier buitekant. Klaar. Right, so we don't play, we don't talk, we don't keep ourselves quiet and want to be better than other content creators. I don't think I'm better, I know I'm better. Remember to document things as you find it, no? And leave markers in the video so that the customer knows it's his vehicle also. So yeah, I would also recommend a new belt. And not that tensioner because the car is modified. We're going to be utilizing what we would call the 7W tensioner or the C16 16 valve tensioner for the corner, just so that we don't have this, man. We don't want this, right? So we want to keep it tuned consistent and not have it stumbling and falling on itself due to certain things. But okay, I see I can steal on the water pump there, so I can still take this away. So okay, ons gaan die tension is lang cancel for now. Van ons kan adjust daar so. That's actually quite a bit of adjustment daar so. See, remember guys, the water pump is your tensioner, no? Daar is maar net 'n spring loaded dampener daaronder. Hier go. This is tensioner. That is dampener. This is tensioner. This is dampener. Right? So this is a spring loaded dampener. So when you do this, you can see the tensioner move down there. It's not moving much because it's not very stiff. But yeah, let me go cap on. Let me go rock this head. It's going to be standing outside in like 2 hours time. Pretty. Fucked up! Pretty. You shouldn't be going anti-ass, no? It's supposed to have some ass.
Is jy afgevriet?
Ja.
Ja, it's bad.
Ja, ne? And that was a bullet game, my bro. So here's from an old man to the younger generation. That center hole in the center of the cam there, right? That one needs to get some sealant on. Not that one, and not that one, and not that corner. So when you come to the cam box, do you see there's no silicone there? That's your cam supply. And that's the main reason why this thing looks the way it looks. This is why this looks the way it looks. Alright? Supply the center line because that supplies your entire cam. Right? If you don't seal this up properly, Opel should have made an O-ring system in here. Would have saved you from that cops here. Right? But if you don't seal this with a little bit of sealant, not like that, little bit of sealant, then the oil pressure don't piss out on the side of the head here. Ja bong? Verstaan ons iets? Okay, don't listen to the stupid youngsters on social media. Hulle weet nog nie wat hulle doen nie. Alright though, things are assembled. That's about it. We haven't turned the key yet. I'm about to turn the key. Right? He's about to turn the key for the first time. You are neutral. Hello baby girl. Can you be out the open now? That's the first start for you. Now give me a second, let me put the belt and shit on quickly. At least she's running. Ja papa, dit is lekker. See, once you get the right components, then you operate normal. So it's not the car that's cuck. It is working on you that work cuck. I understand. Right so, idle. Also back. Already if I must send just this video to the customer, he'll already be happy with what I've done. just based on the sound. That is why the car is in. There's nothing wrong with the car, but it had to lift the sound. That was it. That is normal waar die rook om af te brand, né? That is normal. Now I'm happy with the idle. Remember, she's tuned, no? She's not factory. She's got a factory ECU, but she also got, she's got a piggyback. What do you call that? Yeah, the tuner. Right, so I like customers like these ones. Like I have permission to do a burnout and I have permission to do a power run from him. The customer himself said, do a power run. You need to check my car. Don't drive it like a little bitch. Sien? It's 12 o'clock. Daai lyn sê alweer. And don't worry, boss, I did do what you asked, no? There's the mark. But yeah, sy's evil, so evil that the neighbors now complain dat ek middag hier heavy. Sound lekker, jong. Yeah, fans are on already. We have temperature. Oh, no, that's me with the degrees now. But yeah, it's class, like nice too. Washing can come collect, no? An hour earlier than what we estimated. We did say 1 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. You can come fetch her.